Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of August 2023 for all the Aries Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of August for all the Aries Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Aries Ascendant people, Sun controls your 5th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 4th house in the sign of Cancer. Sun will stay in your 4th house till 17th of August. After that, Sun will move to your 5th house in the sign of Leo. 4th house deal with your mother's health, your emotions, your home related matters, your properties, your conveniences. All the conveniences you have in life is seen from 4th. Emotional state is seen from 4th house. Your heart region is seen from 4th house. So right now your 5th house lord is moving in your 4th house. 5th house deal with your children, your love relationship, your engagements, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your mental abilities, your planning abilities. All the fun you have is seen from 5th house. And right now your 5th house lord is moving in your 4th house, so we can expect till 17th of August your main focus will be your home, your conveniences, your vehicle and your properties. And also your 5th house lord is moving 12 places away from itself. If we count from 5th house, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, 4th house become the 12th house of the 5th house. So its mean 5th house lord is moving 12 places away from itself, and 12th house is not considered very well in astrology. 12th house represent expenses, losses, your spirituality related matters, your isolations. All of these things is seen from 12th house. So we can expect in the month of August you may have some disturbing result regarding your 5th house matter, because your 5th house lord is moving 12 places away from itself. Also sun, whenever sun is moving in 4th house, you may start renovation of your home and some part of your home, or also your main focus will be your home related matters during the month of August. Sun is moving in your 4th house. So we can expect these results till 17th of August. After 17th of August, when Sun will move to your 5th house, then we can expect your sign, means in your 5th house in its own sign, we can expect you may have some good result regarding your education related matters, because early education is also seen from 5th house. Your love relationship, your fiance, your engagements and your mental abilities, all of these things will perform very well after 17th of July, because after 17th of August your 5th house lord will be in your 5th house. So we can expect these results from Sun in the month of August for all the Aries Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Aries Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 3rd house and your 6th house, and right now Mercury is moving in your 5th house in the sign of Leo. 6th house controls your court case, your litigations, your problems you have in your life on daily basis. Your daily routine is seen from 6th house. Your earning, your court case, litigation, your argument, your five, your strength to fight, your strength to withstand the diseases, means your immunity is also seen from 6th house. All of these matters is seen from 6th house. 3rd house deal with your communication, your younger siblings, your neighbors, your cousins, your childhood friends, but especially your communication skills is seen from 3rd house. Your cousins is seen from 3rd house. So right now your 3rd house and 6th house lord is moving in 5th house, and Mercury will turn into its retrograde motion in your 5th house on 24th August 2023. So we can expect you may have some disturbance and issues regarding your communication related matters, and you may have some argument fight with your love relationships and your children if you have children right now, because your 6th house lord, which controls your argument fights and all of these types of matter, and right now moving in your 5th house and also controls your 3rd house communication. So you may have some argument issues with your loved ones or your children. So we can expect you may have some disturbing result regarding your 3rd house matter and your 6th house matter, which we have just discussed in the month of August. Also Mercury will turn into its retrograde motion on 24th of August. So when Mercury will turn into its retrograde motion, and when any planet turn into its retrograde motion, its effects will be double. Either it was previously giving good result or bad result. So we can expect you may have some more disturbing result after 24th of August. You need to be very careful regarding your communication skills and your arguments and fight when you are dealing with your children and your loved ones. So we can expect these results in the month of August from Mercury for all the Aries Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Aries Ascendant people, Venus controls your 2nd house and your 7th house, and right now Venus is moving in your 5th house in the sign of Leo. As we discussed last month, Venus is right now in retrograde motion in your 5th house and will stay retrograde till 3rd September 2023. Seventh house deal with your marriage, your commitments, your legal bindings, your business relationship, your business partner. You meet others, how others perceive you when you will meet others is seen from seventh house. Second house deal with your family, family lineage, family values, your savings, your money matters, your bank account, your speech, your food intake habits. All of these things is seen from seventh house. And right now your second house and seventh house lord is moving in retrograde motion in your fifth house. We can expect you may have some disturbing result regarding your marriage related matters, because Ketu is already moving in your seventh house from last year March 2022. You are already facing many difficulties and many problems regarding your marriage related matters and your business related matters. But right now Venus is moving in its retrograde motion, so we can expect you need to be very careful regarding your marriage related matters when you're dealing with your spouse, your love relationships, and your children, because fifth house controls all of these things. And communication lord Mercury is also moving in your fifth house with Venus, so we can expect these results. So you need to be very careful regarding your communication skills, your love relationships, and your argument fights. Also, if you're dealing with any court cases right now in your life, you need to postpone the date of your case if you have any dates in between when Venus is in a retrograde motion. And right now, if you're having any court case in your life, you need to be very careful regarding all of your court cases, because Mercury is about to turn into its motion in your fifth house, and Mercury controls your sixth house, court case related matters. So you need to be very careful, especially after 24th of August. Also, as we discussed previously, Venus is also in retrograde motion in your fifth house. You need to be very careful regarding all of these matters which we have just discussed in Venus section in the month of August for all the Aries ascendant people. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Aries ascendant people, Moon controls your fourth house, and right now Moon is moving in your 12th house in the sign of Pisces. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of August, and on the basis of 6th August we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in one video for every house, you will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house in transit during these days, we can expect we may have some disturbance, issues and problem in our life, because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology, and Moon is considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, during these days we can also expect we may have some disturbance, issues and problem in our life. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. During these days we can also expect we may have some disturbance, issues and problem in our life. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Aries ascendant people, Mars is very important planet for you people, because Mars controls your first house and your eighth house. And right now Mars is moving in your fifth house in the sign of Leo. Mars will move from your fifth house to your sixth house on 19th August 2023. So till Mars is moving in your fifth house, you need to vary. So your ascendant lord is moving in your fifth house. Rahu is moving in your first house from last year March 2022, and Mars taking Rahu's energy in your fifth house. Also Venus and Mercury, both planets are about to turn into its retrograde motion in your fifth house, and also Mars is moving there. Your eighth house lord. Eighth house deal with sudden unexpected events, sudden good events, sudden bad events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your in-laws related matters, your sudden, your secret, your research, your hidden activities. All of these things seen from eighth house. So right now your ascendant lord and eighth house lord is moving in your fifth house, so you need to be very careful regarding your children. If you have, we try to sum up prediction for all the Aries ascendant in the month of August, we can say you need to be very careful regarding your children's related matters, your love relationships and your education related matters, especially your early education, because and two of them is about to turn into its retrograde motion in your fifth house. So you need to be very careful regarding your children's health, your children's related matters, your love relationship, your engagements and your early education. So we can expect these results for all the Aries ascendant people in the month of August. We will have three major astrological events in the month of August. Number one, as we discussed previously, Sun will move from your fourth house to your fifth house on 17 August 2023 in the sign of Leo. Second major astrological event is that Mars is about to move from your fifth house to your sixth house on 19 August 2023 in the sign of Virgo. Third and most important astrological event is that Mercury is about to turn into its retrograde motion in your fifth house on 24th August 2023. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu. We have described the results of these planets in detail in our yearly prediction videos. If you are interested to know the results of these planets, then you can check my yearly prediction videos and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. For today's video, monthly prediction for the month of August 2023 for all the Aries ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.